Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys how I made these beautiful shell earrings in multicolors. They just pop for me, especially on this black background. So let's get to it. So I take a more larger size jump ring and I open it up. And it's always best to use 2 pliers to do this and twist them the opposite direction. So when you open and close them, they kind of close back as close to possible, as meeting each other as close as possible. So I just put on one of the shells. And this time I'm going to take the jump ring and put through the bottom of the next shell. You're seeing me having a little bit of trouble trying to get it through this time, but it's going to go through. And then I'm going to close that ring right back up by twisting it the opposite direction to make those 2 ends meet again. Just like that. Now we have 2 shells linked together. Now we're going to get another jump ring and open it up and put it through the next shell. I'm going to thread it through the bottom of the shell. I gotta open this one up a little bit more because the shell is a little thicker at the bottom than it is the top. And I'm gonna twist it through there again. And then I'm gonna add the last shell to make the 3 shell links. And I'm gonna twist it to close it. Alright, now I wonder if you guys see it. We got all 3 shells, but look, 2 of the shells have the bigger side to the left and 1 has the bigger side to the right. So I undo the top one so that I can twist it around to make sure that the bigger side of the shell is all going the same direction. That's what you're seeing me do here. Had to open it up again wider, and I thread it back on. I know it fits because we just took this off, so then we're going to take the pliers and close it back up. Twisting them the opposite directions to make them meet back again. Alright, so now we have all 3 shells linked together by jump rings. Now we're going to put another jump ring at the top. The next size that's a little bit smaller than this one. Gonna do the same thing, open it up opposite directions, thread it through the top. We're gonna put on another smaller jump ring than that. So there are 3 different size jump rings that I've used. That smaller one, that last one I just put on, is the one that I'm going to connect the earring fish hook to. Alright, I'm almost done. Put that smaller jump ring on and close up that fish hook earring finding. Alright, that's one down and more to go.